As our season concludes, we are able to recall the beauty, depth, and growth that has presented throughout our journey. We have learned to pivot through the changes, stepping into the unknown with curiosity instead of fear, inviting the creative spirit to rise up and present undiscovered potential. We have learned about the importance of presence, through which we develop mindfulness. We are able to focus our intention in order to manifest the things we desire. We understand the power of connection, through which we learn about ourselves and others. As we embrace our interconnectedness, our capacity for humanity expands. Through our commitment to the process, resilience is born, confidence is cultivated, and alignment is found. We are so grateful for the contribution of all involved at Los Gatos Ballet. The faculty and staff have shown tireless commitment to service, adopting creativity through the process. The parents have been supportive and encouraging through the challenges. The students have embraced change with courage and commitment. We continue our journey with hope, positivity, and courage as we dance into alignment. We conclude our season with a heartfelt thank you.